Oh, 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 let's get into it. So, God Kinetica back again with yet another video. So we're going to be talking about the state of the channel and what's going on with the future. Now, if you've been tuning into this particular video as perhaps a hater of the highest degree, then you're going to be very sad because there is no drama, there is no bad news. There's only lovely, wonderful information to have for the viewers who enjoy the teachings and the lessons and maybe just hear me talk. Because this channel is only getting better. Bam! So there's going to be a few changes, more like improvements rather than changes, right? There's not going to be a whole lot of things changing. A little bit more additional content of different types, but obviously still within the realm of what this channel is for. And it's to help young men and all men, and even some ladies who might be interested in upping their game and becoming better versions of themselves. Because let's be honest, most of you always need to improve a little bit more, right? That's just the nature of things. Why not be as good as you can be? You don't have to be the best on the planet, but you do want to be as good as you can be. And you'd be surprised because a lot of you being as good as you can be will end up being one of the higher ranking players in this game. So what we're going to be doing, if you're watching this video, then you're probably seeing it a little bit after the new year, but rest assured this was shot in December. I've expanded my team just a little bit, just enough so that I can give you more of the videos you enjoy more often. So what does that mean? Well, that means that you most likely should be expecting to see anywhere between triple to quadruple the output of videos. Now that doesn't mean a lack in quality, because if I'm honest with you, there are pages of video ideas that I've been wanting to get out to you guys so that you can enjoy a lot of the things that I think about, a lot of the things that should be addressed that happens in current society, just a lot of the things in general. Because of not having the correct team size, it's been really difficult trying to get that out to you in a timely fashion. In fact, that hasn't been happening, which is why I still have stacks of content that should be flowing out to you very soon. One momentos, if you would. Hey, what's up, motherfuckers? Are you broke? Are you not broke? Are you broker than a joke? Are you doing good? Are you not doing good in life? Well, this YouTube channel's for you. God Kinetica, the host, owner, and badass mofo of GGX Straight Up. Looking good in the neighborhood as always. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I'd like to give a shout out to myself for today's sponsor. Now, I want to ask everybody watching this real quick, very brief question. How much did you pay to watch this video? Oh, really? You don't say. Oh? That's absolutely amazing. Well, since you got in on this video at that low price, how about you do what you can to show a little love and support? Hit the subscribe button right now. Just smack it in the face like somebody told you your girlfriend's fat. Only if she isn't fat. If she is fat, just like nod and agree and then get her on some, weight loss pills and a treadmill. Get her a gym membership. Can't be walking around no fat hoes. Okay? No fat sloots. Anyways, go ahead, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, show some love. Now back to the video. Cha-ching. Much better. So, getting these videos out to you are important because there's a lot of things that should be said and addressed that will actually help you in real time. Not down the road, not a month from now, but when you walk away having seen the video, you'll walk away having leveled up to some degree. So I'm glad that I'll be able to get that to you very shortly. And it might not be quadruple the output right away. Howsoever, you'll notice videos coming out at a much faster and much steadier pace. And that's what's important to you. And that's what's important to me. The future for this channel in general, well, I never do things small, right? I've never been someone who day naps, so to speak. I have dreams. And with dreams, you can bring them into reality if A, you play your cards right, and B, there's just enough luck to get you in the right positions at the right time. Which is why I do ask for you guys to share the videos, show them to friends, post them on Reddit or wherever people post fucking videos. Do that, because when people learn about this channel and this channel gets bigger, you'll see me out there, actually doing things. Not just hiding behind a camera, and definitely never just being some commentary guy over video game gameplay or just some random voice on the internet. You'll see a real God Kinetica doing what should be done out there, not just sitting here. As to what that means exactly, I'll go into more detail at another time. Just know we need to blow this channel the fuck up. Kaboom. You know what I'm saying? So, enjoy the clips, enjoy the shorts, enjoy the TikToks, enjoy everything that I'm putting out for you guys, because I really mean to do it for you. Yeah, you watching this right now. Absolutely. Now, there's going to be an increase in content in shorts, TikToks, all the normie type shit, right? And yeah, I said it like that for a reason. Because I'm not a real TikTok kind of man. But I understand a lot of you out there are. I want to make sure that the message is out there, regardless of whether I think it's a really cool form or not. What's important is actually getting the message in front of people. And if that can bring people over to the long form content so that they can actually learn, then yeah, I think I can make a TikTok or two. So that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. It's a short video. There's not a lot to talk about. Just letting you know there's improvements and there's a real goal for the channel and for raising the prosperity of men in general. And that can only be done if we work as a team. I'm out here willing to fight the good fight, but you got to tell people that there's a war going on and that the fight is right here. Share the videos, get them out there. God Kinetica coming back at you with another amazing banger. See you in the next video. And as long as you're watching, I'll be making. Get out there, slap some ass, touch some grass, or do both. See you around.
But the people are retarded.